Welcome to the Ace Qbank demo tutorial. We are proud to be the best question bank for the qualification exam Part 1 based on the Medical Council of Canada's objectives. Here, we will walk you through a few simple steps to set up your demo account so you can get the true evaluation experience. First, go to aceqbank.com. Click on Demo. It will take you to the Sign Up page. Here, enter your email and create a password you can remember. Mark the terms and conditions of Ace Qbank and press Sign Up. Next, check your inbox. Most of the time, you can find the email there. However, sometimes the email may end up in your spam folder, so make sure you check there as well. Open the confirmation email and click on the link. It will take you back to the Ace Qbank website. Now that you are logged in, click on the assessment and select Create New. Here you can create a question block from Ace Qbank demo questions in 3 simple steps. First, enter the desired number of questions you'd like. Second, give this block a title. Third, you can toggle between time and tutor mode. Select one of these modes as tailored to your pace, then hover over the Create button and then press Create. Here you see the list of all assessments that have been created and details. For upgrading your demo account, select Package from the left side panel. Access to the demo questions will be restricted 4 days after the account is created. Check out the Ace Qbank blog for the most recent updates, news, and articles that will help you with your preparation. Ace Qbank is frequently publishing important information. Thank you for choosing Ace Qbank in your preparation journey. Feel free to reach out to us through social media or email us if you have any questions.